Welcome to 4200 Mandel Drive. This adorable 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, brick bungalow home with a 1-car carport with extra parking pad, fenced backyard with nice shed. An updated interior is located in the established Mandel Park neighborhood in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. We're out in the front yard. You can see it sits on a nice sized lot. You have some mature pine trees sort of throughout the property. You have a nice driveway here on the left side leading up to a 1-car carport, so you can see, which is a really nice size. And then you have an additional parking pad over here to the side. So you have flexible parking, and there's some additional paved area back there as well. While we're outside, we'll go ahead and take a look at the back. The access to the back is via the door. It comes off the side of the house here, but we're already here. So the backyard, you can see it's a nice size, fenced in. You do have a really neat storage shed and workshop back there. You can see that. There'll be more photos of that on the website as well, but you do also have a detached patio, just some nice backyard space, and as you can see, just some nice large trees back here also. And then we'll go back around to the front of the property and take you into the front door. Apologize for the slightly jerky tour there. Alright, so you go around the walkway here on the front. And into the front door of the home. So at the front you have a formal living room, beautiful hardwood floors in the living room. Those continue down the hall and some other areas of the property as well. You have a ceiling fan in here in the living room off the entry. And then we go straight into the kitchen. You can see it has granite countertops, white cabinets. There are stainless steel appliances as well, a dishwasher, smooth top electric range, microwave, and side-by-side refrigerator, as well as an island. And then you also have an eat-in dining area in the kitchen with a skylight above for some nice natural light. And then you step down into a nice den area with some LVP flooring and an adjacent laundry room, or excuse me, a laundry closet, full-size washer dryer connections. There's some shelving above there as well. But a nice sized room. You also have a beautiful fireplace, sort of a wood burning stove on this side, with a really nice sort of custom brick hearth. And this is the door that we mentioned, or we passed by under the carport outside, that gets you to the backyard. So go back through and then on down the hall. So we'll just sort of go down the hall in order here, and we have a full bathroom to our left. It's nice updated tile flooring. You have a good bit of storage here on the left side, an updated vanity, and then a shower and tub. You have the sort of classic tile surround up the walls and in the tub enclosure, a nice window letting in some natural light from the backyard as well. And then our master bedroom is at the back right corner of the home. You have a ceiling fan and chair rail mold, crown molding in there. Again, the updated tile flooring. Nice vessel sink on top of the countertop, and it looks like some stone on there, possibly marble. And then you have a nice sized closet here as well, behind some sliding doors. All the closets in the property have lighting inside, which is a nice underlooked feature, or overlooked feature rather, sometimes. And another bedroom here, second bedroom with the ceiling fan, closet in the corner, slightly smaller than the master closet, but still a nice size. And then you also have a coat closet in the hall, as well as an attic pull down, possibly some storage up there. And then your third and final bedroom, facing the front as the second bedroom was as well. And the closet here on the opposite wall again. So that completes our tour of this home at 4200 Mandel Drive in Columbia. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.